Today we are going to talk about Roman movie. I have some question to ask you. Please try to answer my question in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your favorite Roman movie?
My favorite Roman movie is Bella and Beast because it's magical and beautiful.
Who is your favorite character in a Roman movie?
I love Bella because it's kind, smart, and love to read books.
Why do you like Roman movie?
I like Roman movies because they are sweet, happy, and make me smile.
When do you like to watch Roman movie?
I like to watch Roman movie at night with my families.
Do you cry when you watch sad love scene?
Yes, sometimes I cry a lot when the movie is very sad.
Would you like to be in a Roman movie?
Yes, I want to be the princess.
What is the best love story you've seen in a movie?
I think the love story in Cinderella is the best. It's so sweet and magical.
Do you watch Roman movie with your friend or your family?
I watch them with my mom and sister. We love to watch together and eat popcorn.
What is the most Roman scene you remember?
I remember when the best girl Bella beautiful library is when so romantic.
Would you recommend a Roman movie to your friends?
Yes, I always tell my friend to watch Frozen and thank God they are so good.
Well done. You did a good job. That is the end of your speaking test and see you again soon.
Thank you, teacher.